First contact, the radar upgrades. The modern era of military UFO encounters began with significant technological upgrades to Navy radar systems between 2013 and 2014. These enhancements involved installing active electronically scanned array radar systems on FA-18 fighter jets and naval vessels, dramatically improving their ability to detect small, fast-moving, or low-observable objects. Ryan Graves reported that these radar upgrades immediately began detecting unknown objects in military training areas off the Virginia Beach coast. At first, many encounters were dismissed as equipment malfunctions or calibration issues, since the new systems were more sensitive than previous technology. However, repeated detections of objects exhibiting unusual flight patterns forced military personnel to acknowledge they were observing actual phenomena. The upgraded radar could detect objects flying at various altitudes, from sea level to 30,000 feet, often moving in formations or displaying impossible acceleration capabilities. The war zone reported that pilots began noticing these objects almost daily once the new radar systems came online. This technological leap inadvertently lifted the curtain on UFO activity that had likely been occurring undetected for years, marking a turning point in military acknowledgement of unidentified aerial phenomena in controlled airspace.